Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add HTML code to your Wix website. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, as you can see guys, you're going to find the option to create a new folder, and right next to it, you're going to find the option to create a new site. In the center of your screen, you're going to find all of the sites that you have on Wix. So right now, go to the site you want to edit, hover your mouse over it and click on select and edit site. Once you do that, you're going to be taken to your dashboard. So once here in the dashboard, go to the left side of your screen, and then here you're going to find all of these sections. Right here in the bottom, you're going to find the option to edit site. So go ahead and click on edit site. And then you're going to be redirected to this tab right here. So just wait for this page to load. And then once the page is loaded, go here to the left side of your screen. Here you're going to find all of these tools that will help you to design and customize your site. So right now, go ahead and click on add element. And then here you're going to find the option to add a text element, image, button, strip, and so on. So right now, go ahead and choose embed code. Click on embed code, and then here you're going to find custom, video, audio, advanced, and animations. Go ahead and click on popular embeds, and then here you're going to find HTML, embedded site, or a custom element. So go ahead and click on embed HTML, and then right here, just add your HTML code. So just add it right here. You can also describe what's in the embed. And then once you add your code, click on update, and then it will be updated. Once you finish, you can save all of your changes by clicking on save here in the top. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.